Good day, everyone. Welcome to our Mathematics 6 Week 2 lesson, which is about writing rules for sequence. For this week, most essential learning competencies, we have number 1, formulates the rule in finding the end term using different strategies, such as looking for a pattern, guessing and checking, working backwards. And another is differentiate expression from equation. Our topic today will give more emphasis about sequence. When we say sequence or number sequence, it is a list of numbers in which successive terms follow a rule or a pattern. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8 ellipses. Another example, 3, 5, 7, 9 ellipses. And each number in a sequence is called a term. Meaning to say, kung merong set of numbers or list of numbers or possibly letters or a combination of the two or any symbols used na merong pattern or rule na sinusundan, then we can call that as a sequence. And according to this, each number is called a term or each letter, kung ano man yung ginamit on that particular sequence, ang tawag doon ay term. If you look at the example, 2, 4, 6, 8, our first term is 2, the second term is 4, and so on. Okay? So, take note, para malaman natin ang sequence of a certain number or letter or symbol, dapat at least merong 3 or more given. Para na sa ganun, ma-identify natin ang rule or pattern. Gets? If you are ready, then let us now begin. Learning task number 1. Find the pattern and write its expression. 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, ellipses. Kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayong makukuha dito na tinatawag na common difference. Okay? So, common difference. Yan. So, sabihin na natin na itong common difference ay denoted by D. Paano ko makukuha itong common difference na sinasabi ko? Di ba sabi natin, in a sequence, ang bawat isang given, ang tawag ay term. So, para makuha yung common difference, gawin nating second term minus the first term. So, that is second term. Gawin nating A sub 2. Okay? By the way, bakit ginawa kong A? Kasi if a sequence, let's say, has a common difference, ang tawag doon ay arithmetic sequence. Okay? Kaya, ginawa kong A. Again, going back, paano makukuha ang common difference? A sub 2, ibig sabihin, second term, which is 15. Okay? Minus A sub 1. Ano naman ang A sub 1? Yung first term na kung saan 12. So, 15 minus 12, the answer is 3. Okay? So, kapag nagpatuloy itong 3 hanggang dulo, yun ang tinatawag nating common difference. Tingnan natin. So, A sub 2 minus A sub 1. Kasunod ay A sub 3. So, that is the third term minus A sub 2, the second term. Okay? So, ano naman yun? 18, the third term, minus A sub 2, 15, the second term. Still, the difference is 3. Okay? So, i-continue lang natin. 21 minus 18. So, the difference is 3. Saan naman ang galing yun? Di syempre pa, yung ating ika-fourth term minus the third term. And lastly, dahil meron tayong 5 terms given, ay the A sub 5 minus A sub 4. So that is 24 minus 21. So still, the answer is 3. Ibig sabihin, etong 3, ito yung tinatawag nating common difference. Common, pare-pareho. Ang difference ay 3. Okay? Now, paano natin makukuha yung kanyang rule? Yung kanyang pattern na pinanggalingan. Sa inyong palagay, kaya nyo bang dugsungan itong given sequence? Yes, of course, kasi nga, nalaman na natin yung kanyang common difference. Pero syempre pa, ang hinahanap dito ay pattern or expression. O sabihin na natin yung general rule. So, paano? Kung, let's say, meron ditong ellipsis. Yung ellipsis, ito yung 3 dots. Na kung saan, hindi natin alam kung hanggang saan siya. So, pwede, dire-diretso yan. So, gawin natin siyang nth term. Okay? So, paano natin makukuha? Nth term or general rule. So, sabihin na natin nth term of a sequence. O yung tinatawag na general rule. Okay? So, now, dahil nth term, ay dahil nth term, ay di gagamit tayo ng variable na n. Okay? So, ngayon, ang common difference kanina ay 3. Eh, dilagyan natin dito ng 3. So, 3n. Kapag sinabing 3n, ano nga ang operation involved? Yun, multiplication. So, ngayon, at i-substitute lang natin. Okay? At n equals 1, pag sinabing at n equals 1, yun yung first term, na dapat 12 ang lalabas. Ay di, tingnan natin. 3 times 1 equals 3. Naku, paano yan? Eh di ba sabi natin dapat 12 ang lalabas. So kung 3 lang ito, paano siya magiging 12? Siyempre pa, pwede nating dagdagan ng 9. Para nang sa ganun, 3 plus 9 is 12. Yun, pwede na. Pero tingnan natin yung kasunod. At n equals 2. So, at n equals 2. Ay, di sabihin natin 3 times 2. What is 3 times 2? The answer is 6. Pero, dapat ang lalabas ay 15. So, kagaya doon sa nauna, pwede nating dagdagan ng 9. Para nang sa ganun, maging 15. Nakakasunod? Okay. Next, at n equals 3. Ano dapat ang kailangan nating lumabas? 18. Pero, alam natin na ang 3 times 3 is only what? 9. At para maging 18, dagdagan natin ng 9. So that you can get 18. Okay? Now, ibig sabihin, hindi pala po pwedeng ang ating nth term or general rule ay 3n lang basta. Ano ang gagawin natin sa 3n? Dapat dadagdagan natin siya ng 9. Upang sa ganun, ma-identify natin yung nth term o yung sinasabi nating general rule. At syempre pa, sa sequence ito, ito ang sagot. Our next sequence, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25 ellipses. So, kunin uli natin or tingnan uli natin kung may common difference. 40 minus 45. So, 40 minus 45, the answer is negative 5. So, ito yung common difference na sinasabi. Okay? Next, we have 35 minus 40. The answer is negative 5. And then 30 minus 35, it is negative 5. 25 minus 30, again, is negative 5. And so on. Okay? Ibig sabihin, the common difference here is negative 5. So, kagaya ng ginawa natin, itry natin. Or, unahin muna natin yung sinatawag nating negative 5. Tapos, n. Tama? So, negative 5n. So, sabi natin kanina, at n equals 1, doon sa unang sample natin, di dapat meron tayong 45. Pero tingnan natin. So, negative 5n. So, negative 5 times 1. The answer is negative 5. Okay? Paano magiging 45? So, kinakailangan magdagdag tayo ng ilan? Okay, pahiin natin. Dagdag dapat tayo dito ng plus 50 para siya ay maging 45. Okay? Next, at n equals 2, okay? So, at n equals 2 ay the negative 5 times 2. Dapat ang second term na lalabas ay 40. Pero meron tayong negative 10. Kasi negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. At para maging 40, plus 50. So, the answer is 40. Okay? Next, tingnan pa natin kung magsasatisfy ulit natin. At n equals 3, ay the negative 5 times 3. The answer is negative 15. Pero syempre pa, what we need ay yung ika-third term na 35. So, pag nag-add tayo ng 50, so the answer is 35. Ibig sabihin lang dapat negative 5n ang ating rule or expression to follow. Kundi, nangangailangan pa siya ng plus 50. At ito ang ating magiging kasagutan. Okay? Check. Sequence number 3, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. So, tingnan natin, meron bang common difference? Parang 8 minus 1. Tingnan natin kung may common difference. 8 minus 1, the answer is 7. And then 27 minus 8, the answer is 19. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong common difference. Walang common difference. Ngayon, tingnan naman natin kung may common ratio. So, ano naman yung common ratio? Di kapag i-divide naman natin yung second term sa first term, third term sa second term, fourth sa third. So, 8 divided by 1, the answer is 8. Okay? 27 divided by 8, so the answer is what? 27 over 8. 27 over 8. So, ibig sabihin, wala rin siyang common ratio. So, ngayon, tingnan natin yung sa kasunod na pwede nating gawin. Aside from getting a common difference and common ratio, tingnan naman natin kung pwede siya sa squaring of a term. N squared. Anong ibig sabihin ng n squared? Ay di square natin yung first term. So, 1 squared, the answer is 1. Uy, pasok. Pwede Pero, kung halimbawa at yung kasunod na second term, 2 squared, ay ang sagot lang nito ay 4. And that is wrong kasi dapat ang lalabas ay 8. So, hindi rin pwede ang n squared. Okay? Kung hindi pwede ang n squared, itry natin yung n to the third power. So, tingnan natin sa first term. Okay? Tingnan natin sa first term kung siya ba ay papasok. Ay di 1 cube. Ano ibig sabihin ng 1 cube? 1 times 1 times 1. The answer is 1. Tama? 1. Tama. A sub 2 or second term, ay di 2 cube. Anong ibig sabihin ng 2 cube? 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. Okay? 4 times 2, 8. Yun, 8. Aba, pwede. Okay? Tingnan natin kung masasatisfy nga yung third. Ay the third term. That is 3 cube. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kung 3 cube ay di 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Times 3 is 27. So, meron tayong 1 sa unang term, tama? 8 sa pangalawang term, tama? 27 sa pangatlong term, tama? So, ibig sabihin, na-satisfy natin yung first 3 terms, so umaayon sa ating hinahanap. So, ang sagot natin dito ay n to the third power. And this is our answer. Our next sequence, 4, 8, 12, 16, ellipses. So, i-check muna natin, meron bang common difference? 8 minus 4, okay, common difference natin. 8 minus 4, the answer is 4. 12 minus 8, so the answer is 4, okay? And 16 minus 12, the answer is 4. Ibig sabihin, there's a common difference of 4. Sa makatuwid, itry natin yung ating 4 times n. Ano? 4, kasi difference ay 4, then n for the n term. Okay. So, unahin natin yung at n equals 1. So, at n equals 1, dapat ang lalabas ay yung first term na 4. Ay di 4 times 1, the answer is 4. Okay, check. Pwede. Next, at n equals 2, second term. So, dapat ang lalabas ay 8. Ay di 4 times 2, the answer is 8. Aba, pwede ulit. Ngayon, tingnan ulit natin. At n equals 3 naman. So, at n equals 3. So, dapat yung third term na 12 ay di 4 times 3. The answer is 12. Uy, nasatisfy ulit. Lubusin na natin yung fourth term. At n equals 4. So, that is 4 times 4. The answer is 16. So, nasatisfy natin, di ba? So, 4, first term, 8, second term, 12, third term, 16, fourth term. Ibig sabihin, 4n is our answer. Ito yung ating expression. Nth rule, o yung tinatawag nating general, nth term, tinatawag nating general rule. Okay? Next sequence, 1/2, 1, 1 and 1/2, 2, 2 and 1/2, ellipses. Naku, merong fraction. Mahirap ba? Tingnan natin. May common difference kaya? Check natin. 1 minus 1/2. 1 minus 1/2. Well, the answer is 1/2. Kasi isang buo, bawasan ng kalahati, kalahati. Tama? Next, 1 and 1/2 minus 1. Oh. So, 1 and 1/2 minus 1. Still, the difference is 1/2. Isa't kalahati, bawasan ng isa, natira, kalahati. Okay? Tama, ano? Next, we have 2 minus 1 and 1/2. Still, the answer is 1/2. Dalawa, bawasan ng isa't kalahati, kalahati ang natira. Yun. And lastly, 2 and 1/2 minus 2, the answer is 1/2. Yun. Yun lang pala naman. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong common difference of 1/2. At dahil may common difference tayo na 1/2, edi syempre pa, sabi natin, meron tayong 1/2 n sa una. tama na kaya itong 1/2 n? I-check natin. At n equals 1. So, dapat ang lalabas dito ay 1/2 ang first term. Ano? Eh di 1/2, okay, 1/2 times 1. So, 1 times 1 is 1. Then, copy the denominator 2. Uy, tama. 1/2. Ngayon, tingnan natin. At n equals 2. So, at n equals 2, ay di 1/2 times 2. Okay? Equals. So, 1/2 times 2, makakancel yung 2. Ang natira ay 1. Ba, nasatisfy ulit natin. 1. Okay? Next, tingnan natin sa third term kung papasok. At n equals 3. Ay di 1/2 times 3. So, 1 times 3 is 3. And then over 2. So, it's 3 halves. Na kapag i-convert natin itong 3 over 2 into a mixed number, ay di ito ay equivalent to, ilang 2 meron sa 3? Isa. Sobra ng isa. And then, copy the denominator 2. So, it's 1 and 1/2. Pasok ulit. So, isa na lang. At n equals 4. Tingnan natin. Pag lumabas 2, ibig sabihin 1/2 n is correct. So, we have 1/2 times 4. So, 1 times 4 is 4. Then, copy 2. And 4 over 2 is simply 2. So, nasatisfy natin yung fourth term. Ibig sabihin, in this problem, in this sequence, ito ang ating nth term o yung tinatawag nating general rule. Learning task number 2. Find the next 3 terms of the given sequence. Yun. Ibibigay daw naman natin ang tatlong kasunod na terms. Siyempre pa, alamin natin. May common difference ba? 11 minus 7. So, ang difference ay 11 minus 7 ay di 4. Okay? 15 minus 11, ang difference ay 4. 19 minus 15, ang difference ay 4. 23 minus 19, ang difference ay 4. So, ibig sabihin, there's a common difference of 4. So, what do you think is the next term? Upang sa ganun, magkaroon ng difference of 4. Ngayon, baliktarin naman natin. Let's say, sabihin natin 7 plus 4, the answer is 11. 11 plus 4, okay? Plus naman, the answer is 15. So then, 15 plus 4, the answer is 19. And 19 plus 4, the answer is 23. Ibig sabihin, 23 plus 4, anong sagot? The answer is 27. And of course, 27 minus 23 is 4. Nasusundan natin? Okay. What do you think is the next term? 27 plus 4, the answer is 31. And 31 minus 27, the answer is 4. Okay, and then next, 31 plus 4, so the answer is 35. And 35 minus 31, the difference is 4. And then, and so on. Meaning, the next 3 terms are what? 27, 31, and 35. Next, we have 1, 9, 17, 25, 33. So if you look at 9 and 1, the difference here is 8. Tama? Para bang 1 plus 8. So yun, pagka ginawa natin. 1 plus 8, the answer is 9. Check nga natin. Kung 9 plus 8, the answer is, what is 9 plus 8? The answer is 17. Okay, tama. Then 17 plus 8, the answer is 25. Okay? And 25 plus 8, the answer is 33. Okay. Now, ibig sabihin, 33 plus 8. What is 33 plus 8? The answer is 41. Tama? Okay. And then 41 plus 8, the answer is 49. And then 49 plus 8, the answer is 57. And then, so on. Ano? So, ellipsis. Okay? Next sequence, we have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14. 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. 8 minus 5, the answer is 3. 11 minus 8, the answer is 3. 14 minus 11, the answer is 3. At syempre pa, sabi nga natin kanina, kung pabalik, kung i-add naman natin, 2 plus 3, the answer is 5, plus 3, the answer is 8, plus 3, it's 11, plus 3, 14. So plus 3, the answer is 17, and then plus 3, the answer is 20, and then plus 3, the answer is 23. And then, sabi nga natin, ellipsis. Okay, tingnan natin. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Meron kayang common difference. 18 minus 9, the answer is 9. 27 minus 18, the answer is 9. 36 minus 27, the answer is 9. 45 minus 36, the answer is 9. So, pag inad natin, tama ba? 9 plus 9, 18. Plus 9, 27. Plus 9, 36. Plus 9, 45. Plus 9, syempre, the answer is 54. Tama? Plus 9, the answer is 63. And then plus 9, the answer is 72. And then, meron tayong ellipsis. Next sequence, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Ellipsis. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, 14 minus 13, it is 1. 15 minus 14, 1 pa rin, ang difference. 16 minus 15, 1. 17 minus 16, 1 pa rin. So, plus 1 tayo ngayon. Tama? Ibig sabihin, plus 1. Pag binaliktad natin. Ano? So, 17 plus 1, the answer is 18. 18 plus 1, the answer is 19. And then, 19 plus 1, the answer is 20. And then, ellipsis. Now, let us differentiate these two, expression and equation. When we say expression, it is a number, a variable, or a combination of numbers and variables and operation symbols, while equation is a mathematical statement where values of two mathematical expressions are connected by equal sign. So, simple lang ang pagkakaiba ng dalawa. Kapag ang expression ay merong equal sign involved, then matatawag natin siyang equation. So, tingnan natin sa susunod nating slide. Okay, our learning task is to write whether each number is an expression or equation. Sabi ko kanina, para matawag na equation ang isang expression, dapat connected ito ng equal sign. Ganun lang kasimple, ano? So if you look at these 10 problems, alin lang dito ang may equal sign? Siyempre pa, 16 minus 6 equals 10. Okay? Dahil merong equal sign, di ibig sabihin, equation. Tama? Equation. Okay? Dahil ang 2x plus 10 ay may equal sign, equation. Okay? Tapos, next, we have y plus 8 equals 40, equation. And then number 8, 3 plus 1 times 5 equals 20 is an equation. and 4x equals 12 is also an equation. The rest, yung walang check, ang tawag naman dun ay expression. Okay? So, gets natin? Ganito lang kasimple ang pagkakaiba ng equation and expression. Ayos? Ayos.